Ciao a tutti. Here we go again from Chef Emma. Hello everyone. This evening special, we are doing 8-ounce grass-fed filets. Beautiful filets that we have at Palladio and served with Gorgonzola cream sauce. This is usually how we do it at Palladio as well on the menu, so I figured to present it to you this evening. For the wine pairing, we have a Super Tuscan to go with it. That's fantastic, Grattamacco. And Marcello Palazzi from Winebow already sent me the video that I will then send to all of you to check out. So I already grilled my filet. I just got them out of the grill and they're resting. The marinated in this was just some olive oil, a little bit of garlic, and seasoning, salt and pepper. That was it. Right here, I already have my butter hot because I wanted to get started. And the sauce here can start in a couple of ways. If you like shallots, you could caramelize some shallots here. That would be really good. I found out late in the game that I was out of shallots. So what I'm going to do here, I have some garlic slices that I'm going to add in there. Now remember, garlic burns fast, so I just wanted to release some flavor into my butter. You can have a little golden caramelization to it, but you definitely don't want it to darken up, okay? So in here, no olive oil this time, just butter. So I can see my garlic is starting to sizzle. Move it around to get the flavor all through the bottom of the pan. Starting to get darker, so as it's getting darker, I'm removing it from the heat. Just putting it on the side of the pan right now. I'm gonna add my Gorgonzola, and right away to that Gorgonzola, I'm gonna add cream. Now, mind you, that garlic was in a very larger slice, and the reason of the large slice is because I can actually take it off. If you don't want it in your dish, it will be easy to take it off rather than if it was minced. Okay, so right here, I have about a 1/4 cup of Gorgonzola and a 1/4 cup of cream. Gorgonzola now, it's melting with the cream, and we're then going to let it reduce to a nappe consistency. Nappe consistency is if you grab a spoon and dip your spoon into this sauce, it should coat your spoon without really, it will move from the spoon, but it will just do a nice coat to it. It won't go off the spoon too fast, and neither will it be too chunky into that spoon, okay? So I can see that I'm almost there just by the way it's moving around in my pan. So I started with a medium-high heat and I lowered it down now because, especially my pan, as you see, I'm using a saucepan to let it expand and reduce faster here, okay? The deeper your pan is going to be, the longer this will take. So if I grab a spoon, see that? That's what I'm looking for, the nappe consistency. You see a little bit of movement in the spoon, but not a lot. That means that when you will add it to your product, in this case our filet, it will give it a nice consistency of what we're looking for as a sauce for your meat. So the special this evening is going to be the filets with roasted potatoes, and they're right here. So this evening I am very busy right here because as you see I have a berry sauce working there, and that's for the panna cotta for our Easter meals. I have some short ribs that have been cooking for a couple hours here in the oven already. And now I am cooking those fillets for you, or at least for me actually right now. Yours will be done to order. So very exciting. A lot of stuff going on. I have blueberry peach crumble having to get ready tonight. I'm excited. Okay, so the way we are gonna do for you to take home this evening, we'll put the sauce on the side. The filet, I would like to cook it for you about at a medium rare, if not even less temperature. So if you need to warm it up a little bit, it will come to a perfect consistency for you. And then I would like to, and obviously your potatoes will be on the side. And here we go. I am ready to eat. I hope you're hungry too. I will send Marcello Palazzi's video right after me. Grazie.